Hello everyone, this time we had to transport 16 of the newest wagons for the Metro of Thessaloniki. Our journey begins from the Goumenitsa port. We passed through Egnatia Highway and then, due to the restriction of the road, we had to pass through Agras with one stop on our headquarters in Giannitsa.
Give me that power, give me that gold, give me that freedom, give me that soul. Can you hear it rumble? Can you hear it roar? Give me that lightning, I want more. Give me that power.
Next day, we begin at 3 o'clock in the morning to avoid traffic in the center of Thessaloniki. And our final destination is the newest metro station in Kalamaria.
Flash coming down from above, yeah, there's no putting up.
Here, we unload the wagons from the trailer on the train rails.
When I was just a kid, I would dream.
Follow our social media pages to keep up with upcoming projects.
If you want